Hello my lovely people, welcome to my channel. So guys, today we are making a soup. It's a very delicious soup that is made of lentils, and this soup is loaded with proteins. It has a lot of fiber. It's going to keep you full for so long. And if you follow through what I'm going to show you, we're not going to use any oils. It's going to help you lose weight up to 5 kgs in just 1 week. All you need to do is just maintain a healthy diet in between that 1 week, and you're going to see amazing results, guys. So guys, if you're interested to see how I make this soup, then watch this video to the end. So here we are. I'm using the brown lentils, like you can see. There are many types of lentils. You can also use the green ones or the yellow ones. They're all very high in proteins and they're low in calories, so they're very good if you're trying to lose some weight. Now make sure you replace this soup with one of your meals, and I prefer dinner, and just make sure that you're observing a healthy diet in between, and also observe your portions. Now I'm going to soak them up for about 1 hour just to soften them and make sure they're okay, and then I'm going to boil them. So yeah, this is 1 hour later. They're all soft and soaked up well. I'm just going to wash them well and then transfer them in my pot. Yep, here they are, very ready and clean. So I'm transferring them in my pot now and then just getting them ready for boiling. I'm going to add about half an onion just to enhance the taste. You can also just add 1 full onion depending on the size. Then add 1 tomato. Then I'm also going to add about 2 cloves of garlic. I'm also adding a small piece of ginger. Ginger goes well with the lentils. You can also adjust the ginger according to how you like it. And this is it, guys. Now I'm only going to add 3 cups of water. I added 1 cup of lentils, so I'm going to add 3 cups of water. This should be enough to boil it and remain some soup. And then I'm adding some salt to taste. And that's it. I'm going to boil it. It takes about 30 minutes. If you're using a pressure cooker, even 15 or 10 minutes should be enough. Yep, here we are. They're all ready. I'm just going to leave them for a few minutes just to cool down, and then I'm going to blend 1 cup of the lentils. So I've blended it up. It's all ready now. I'm just going to serve it and then garnish it a little bit with some coriander. And I'm also going to add about a pinch of black pepper. Yep, here we are, guys. Our soup is now ready. You can adjust the consistency according to how you like it, but I think this is good enough if you're going to replace it with one of your meals. So that's it, guys, with the lentil soup. It's super easy to make, like you've seen. It tastes delicious and it's going to be very, very effective. So try it out, guys. Talk to me on the comment section and let me know how it goes for you. And also, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any amazing videos that I upload for you guys. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.